Ready to ditch your bulky wallet and unlock the magic of mobile payments? Today, we're turning your iPhone into a seamless Apple Pay system in under 90 seconds. First, find and tap the Wallet app. It's that little icon with the card on it. This is your digital wallet headquarters. Now, look for the plus button. Usually in the top right corner, tap it to add your first card. You'll be presented with a few options. Select debit or credit card. The easiest way to add your card is by using your iPhone's camera. Position your card within the frame and let it automatically scan the details. If the camera doesn't work, no problem. You can manually enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Next up, carefully review and agree to the card issuer's terms and conditions. Just scroll through and tap Agree to continue. Now for the final security step, your bank will want to verify your card. This usually involves receiving a text message or a phone call with the verification code. Enter that code when prompted. And voila! Your card is now added to Apple Pay. You can see it displayed within your Wallet app, ready to use. To make things even smoother, you can set your preferred card as the default and customize transaction settings within the wallet settings in your iPhone. That's it. You're now equipped to make secure and convenient payments with your iPhone. Enjoy the freedom of a wallet-free life.